Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of giveaway where we're going to announce the giveaway winner, because you guys are waiting like super hard when you are going to announce the winner. And as I promised, at 1000 subscriber I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway, and one of you guys can win one iPad or the AirPods. So you guys commented a lot, literally a lot, hundreds of comments, literally like 250 plus comments. So it's a little tough to choose the winner, and you guys are DMing on my Facebook, Instagram that give me the iPad, give me the AirPods, and dude, I'm really sorry I cannot do that because I already told you that it is a random winner, so I have nothing to do about the giveaway. And if you didn't get the giveaway and you are not the winner, don't worry, there are tons of giveaways coming on the channel, so stay tuned on the channels. We are going to blast with a lot of giveaways in the future, but till then this is the first giveaway of the channel. So we hit 1000 subscriber just tomorrow, and I was traveling today. Anyway, who is the giveaway winner? So here is the winner. It's a magic. Alright, so now you know who is the winner. So thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. I think you alright, now you know that you are the winner. Then please direct message me on Instagram and send me your email address. I will send you all the procedures how I will send you the product to your house. So just DM me on Instagram and I will reply. And I think I talked with you maybe, even though I don't know the winner because I'm just shooting the random video. After that I'm gonna edit and mix that part with the video. By the way, there are tons of giveaways coming on very soon. Stay tuned for those. If you haven't like won or got the giveaway, I cannot do that much because I already told you I don't have my hand on those, so I cannot do that much. Anyway, that guy who won the giveaway, a lot of love from me to you.